Hi guys, it's Chad here again, and today I wanted to do something kind of fun. So, I don't know if you guys have heard, but this new trend is going all over the internet. It's all over TikTok. Everybody's trying to do this thing called Dalgona Iced Coffee. So basically, it just entails 3 different ingredients, and from what I've kind of seen, there's some history behind this. So, I guess it originated from India, and then somehow Korea, they took over, and they named it Dalgona. So it looks delicious. I hope that it turns out, but let's all try it together. This is gonna be my first time. So I guess you just use regular instant coffee. It doesn't matter what kind you get. Sugar, and this is the instant coffee. I already poured it out. I just use like a container because we're gonna be whisking everything together. Now you wanna make sure you use hot water, and it's like a small glass to put the iced coffee in, and your whisk, and your 1 tablespoon measuring cup. So it's important that whenever you mix all these 3 ingredients together, that you make them all in equal parts. So I'm gonna start off measuring out the instant coffee here. And I have no clue how this is gonna turn out. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And then I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of just regular sugar. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put in the hot water, which I already so conveniently warmed up in the microwave. And then they say you should start the timer just so you can kind of, figure out how long this is gonna take. So you just start whisking it all together. And it's supposed to make this like really creamy, whipped iced coffee. So let's start. So I'm starting with 0 time here. So we'll get started. And then we'll check back in, but I'm gonna start whisking and see how it all turns out here. So right now it just looks really, really brown, really muddy. Everything's just kind of whisking together.
You can kind of see how it's lightening up a little bit, the sugar and the hot water, and the instant coffee's kind of running together there.
Alright guys, so I'm 5 minutes in whisking the instant coffee and the sugar and the hot water, and as you can see, it's really started to create like a whipped topping. It's really cool. So yeah, there's no dairy products in this at all. There's no milk. It's just sugar, instant coffee, and hot water, and I just can't believe that this is turning out like this. It's really cool. So I'm gonna keep whisking this, and probably just for a few more minutes, and see how this is gonna keep continuing to turn out. All right, so we're about 14 minutes in, and as you can see, the consistency is really, really, it's like whipped cream, actually. It sticks to the whisk pretty well. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I already got my small little iced coffee drink here with some crushed ice from the refrigerator. I'm gonna go ahead and add some milk. You can use whatever type of milk you'd like. So let's see how this turns out. Look at that. It's really cool. All right, this is supposed to be placed on top of your coffee. On top of the milk, I should say. It's really cool how it turned really, really like whipped cream. All right, so after I get all the whipped instant coffee out of there, it all just lays on top of the cup and on top of the ice and on top of the milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it for the first time. So it's really cool. actually really good. It's got like it's like a bitter and sweet taste at the same time. It's definitely a treat. So yeah, that was pretty fun. I've never done this before. I've never had it before. But yeah, if you guys want to try it, let me know. Comment below. Subscribe to my channel and let me know how it all turns out for you guys. Thanks for watching.